Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with your business updates for today. Consumers are showing increased confidence in the first quarter of 2026, rising 5.7 percentage points, while businesses remain more cautious. The Chief Executive Officer of Market Research Limited, Don Anderson, is however cautioning against over-interpreting the rebound in consumer sentiment.
It was total depression coming after Melissa, and that is what was reflected in that fourth quarter of 2025. Consumers are now beginning to think that we're coming out of it, all right? So that perception of current business conditions amongst consumers rose from 12.6% up to 16.8%. However, it's not back to where it was in quarter one of 2025.
For businesses, confidence moved in the opposite direction, with the index declining to 124 in the March quarter, down from 136 in 2025. Anderson said this reflects the longer-term outlook taken by firms, which tend to react more slowly to economic shifts. Still, businesses remain optimistic in several areas, with both firms and consumers pointing to tourism as a key driver of economic growth. Against that backdrop, President of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, Patrick Hilton, said strengthening the tourism sector will require addressing key vulnerabilities exposed in recent events, particularly around insurance and financial support for tourism-related businesses.
The opportunity has to be to ensure that we use this experience, right, as a basis in rebuilding to build institutional frameworks or institutional arrangements which guard against and facilitate better insurance arrangements, speedier resolution of claims, right? Higher levels of coverage, which is part of our whole process of educating people, and also looking at the cost of insurance, which sometimes is a disincentive for people to want to take out insurance. We need to build a tourism ecosystem, is how I would describe it, that is resilient and that recognizes all the downside risks and puts in place a framework for managing them as best as possible. Mm-hmm. And I think there's a lot of opportunity in that regard.
And that's it for the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites today. I'm Cody and Barrett.